The world doesn't revolve around you, U.S. motherfuckers.
Our KKKs are the good guys.
Are they?
A bit.
A bit, yeah.
They try to be.
A bit, yeah. According dito, conventional history would tell us that the revolution has started prematurely after the KKK member Teodoro Patino revealed the
Tangina mo
secret.
si Shanks, gago. God damn it. Sakto naka-straw hat ang putang. Wala na sa kanya yung straw hat na ipasa na.
Ngayon pa lang kasi mangyayari yung One Piece. So si Shanks talaga yan. Gago si Roger yan nung naka-v-neck, di ba?
Kaya pala, wala siyang, isang parte ng kamay kasi naputol nung sila, nag-start na ng revolusyonaryo. Imbis na dugo yung kamay, pinutol yung kamay para pang sulat.
Wala kang ballpen. Ito.
Pinutol yung kamay. Pampirma.
Wait.
Game.
Patino revealed the secret society's existence to the Spanish because of a salary dispute with another member. However, according to Jose Torriano Santiago, a close friend of Bonifacio who was expelled from the KKK in the 1895, it was actually the Supremo who ordered Patino to divulge the secret society to the authorities.